What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is NP-37667-9. The SharePlay connection was lost because the internet connection become unstable. So it's a network error, PSN network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the firstly just settings. Here we are at the settings, and simply not the settings, sorry. Here we go to the party settings. Here we go, simply just do a party. Here we are, just wait and start a party. You just start a closed party, not for the everyone, for just test. And there is a party, starting a party. Here's the SharePlay, and then you just test a SharePlay connection. Tap on it. Here is the test internet connection. Here you just see your connection is suitable for SharePlay or not. So here is a waiting testing for the connection, and here is the result is too low. You are not able to SharePlay because the internet connection is too low. So here we go to the settings, get back to the settings, and there is a network. You must check your connection and test your internet connection and check the services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get it, and sometimes your Wi-Fi is not working. But I'm just going to tell you what to do. You just do a wired LAN cable from router to PlayStation 4, and you will get the better speed on it, and it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.